for the handlebar. Got the new media mod for GoPro 9 to 10. Got the GoPro 10. Hopefully that fits. Just got this new GoPro 10. Let's open this up. It comes with a box with the rechargeable cable, mounting, batteries, and a couple other stuff. So I just took it out of the box. This out. Let's see if we put the battery inside. Pop that out. And pop it in. Just like that. And it's blinking. On. So, English. We turn on the top view footage, rotation speed. We'll turn that off. Install the quick app. I'm not ready yet. I'm not going to start that yet. I'm just going to turn that off. I think I found out how to get this out. So we pop it off. That. We got the batteries, and we'll put this back in. Let's see. It goes in this way. And we'll install this. Yeah. Let's see. Does it even fit? Close. And it's on. And we'll make sure that we don't lose this. It comes with the Win. I don't know what they call this, but and there you go. It's on. So. And then we can take this out. By the way, I just got this in for my helmet yesterday with this right here with the handlebar mount. So this one is GoPro 7. I have two of these. This one here will be mounted on the front of the my helmet, and this one I might just mount it on top of the helmet, or I can just mount it here, and the other one maybe on the helmet. So we'll see. But anyways, there's a bunch of spare parts. I'm sorry, accessory, not spare parts, that came with this. We'll mount it on the helmet here in a minute. So, okay, so I got my helmet. I'm gonna move this. Empty now. Move it out of the way. I'm gonna bring my helmet. Let's see. I haven't tried this on, so hopefully it fits my helmet. This is supposed to go something like this, like that. So let's see if it'll fit. Okay. First, I gotta loosen this up a little bit. Okay. Let me see if I can move this out of the way for just a minute. And we'll put this, try this on. Hopefully it fits. And it should. And it does. So this should be something like that. But I gotta take this 7 out and I will install this one on it. So this is the GoPro 7. The 10, it comes with this mount clipped off from the bottom. It should just go and fits right into here. And let's see if it does. And I gotta take off my glasses so I can see. And we'll put this back on. It's just too tight. I might just have to put this onto a mount extension of some sort because it won't fit. It won't fit in there. It's hard to turn this thing. So I'm gonna go see an adapter for this, and I'll be right back. So I was able to find a longer screw without using an adapter, but I'm not going to show you how I did that. But I will show you. By the way, this is all this accessories. But I will show you the finished product though, and it turned out pretty well. This is what it looks like. So I should be able to go and start filming. Anyways, we'll put this aside for a little bit, and we'll mount the GoPro 7 onto this handlebar clamp that will go on to my my Husqvarna motorcycle. So we'll take this out of its case, and then we'll put it into here. And then we should be able to just mount it on the handlebar. Let's see. Is it better to? I'll have to figure it out. Probably we'll do that a little later. And we'll try to see if it fits. So. Okay, until then, we'll take a break, and then I'll come back and we'll go and install this on the handlebar a little bit. Alright, so I got this new mount for my GoPro. It's a handlebar mount. Swivel around. So we'll install that right here. This is basically to give me kind of an ankle a self-portrait or selfie that looks back towards me. So we're just gonna cook this up on the can and on the handlebar right here. And we'll just tighten it up. There you go. So we will install the camera, it's GoPro. There you go, and then we can adjust it how we want. Something like that. We'll do the bag. So this bag can either be fitted on the front fender, right here. We use this little clip. And by the way, we can open this up. It's a pretty good sized bag. I could put some tools, emergency kit, or maybe my own snack. So close this. So we can do this. We can do this either here like this, or let's see. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna put this on there because of this. So I didn't realize how big that was. But intent is to basically put it here, so I can put it there. But this strap is not long enough, so I got to figure out how I'm gonna do that. Put that in there. So anyway, that's the only thing that I got left. So I have this. I should be able to get ready to, go do an overnight camping kind of. Minimalist type of camping. So I got my backpack, which I will show you, and also I got my camera set up on my helmet, and I will show you that. Okay, so this is what I installed the other day. So we got this on there, so if I ride, we have the front view angle as I would ride on the bike. So we got that working, and I also have another camera that I could mount here that may look backward when I'm riding with multiple people, with my son, for example. So, and then I got my bag, which is this right here. So it's equipped with some lighting, got some hydrations, water. So the water bag is in here. I got my little fold-out chair, just in case I stop and need someplace to sit down. And of course here I can put my goggles, whatever else here that I want to put in, snacks right now. We got some emergency kits and lighting. Got some snack. And let's see what else I have. Also have a knife. And with that, I'm ready for the upcoming spring for a ride. So